back to another video here on the Matt's ATV YouTube channel. Today, as you can see, we are going for a snow ride. First ride of 2024. Kind of crazy. I'm going to start out here on the Rincon and try and make some tracks. And then don't worry, I'll get on the sport quad and try and see if I can go a little faster. But it's now been 8 days since the original event. We got about 15 inches of snow-ish and 30-mile-an-hour winds, so that's kind of unheard of here in Kansas. It does not happen very often. So it's taken a while to melt. Not only did we have what I just said, but then we had some really low temperatures. So it is finally to something that might be rideable right now. So we're going to try and make tracks, get some trails going, and then we'll see if we can get a sport quad out. The double X is actually warming up right now. Oh wow. Already stuck. See if we can rock it back. Haha! Got it. Wow. Well, I guess we'll see what the woods are like here. Not too bad because they didn't drift. The woods trail should be good. Even this thing's struggling a little bit. Sorry if my audio quality is a little off this video. I obviously have a mask to keep my face warm. And my mic seemed to be acting up a little bit on the last video too. So hopefully I don't need a new mic, but it wouldn't surprise me. So we'll see. We'll see how it turns out. We'll see if we can make it up this kind of short hill climb here. It's got a lot of roots and stuff. Oh yeah, no problem. Sweet. Well, I've got a few of the trails worked in now, so I guess we'll see if we can go grab something that is two-wheel drive and has a manual transmission. Driveway slick. Let's see if we can turn around. Yep. The Honda should be plenty warmed up by now. Yeah, okay. Let's try the Honda. I would get the Raptor out, but the Raptor doesn't have near as much ground clearance as this thing does. So, I think in these conditions, the Honda's definitely going to do better. Oh wow. Let's see if we can get the tracks. Trails, they seem to be the best. Hopefully we can do this and manage to stay out of the trees. That would always be good. So I really should have gone out when it was still like a blizzard outside and there wasn't too much snow on the ground, but I figured it would lighten up, and I kept waiting on it to do that, and it just never did. Didn't mention, but I am trying out the Precision bar clamps, the anti-vibe ones. So we'll see how they do. Ordered them from Pete Hager. So if you guys need precision parts, Dasa exhaust, Rosier exhaust, all that sort of stuff, Pete usually carries it. So definitely go check out his website if you haven't yet, although I'm sure most of my viewers know who Pete Hager is. So yeah, but so far I like them, but as you guys can tell, there has not been a lot of high-speed riding. I mainly got them because the precision steering stabilizers for this quad are pretty pricey. The bar clamps are about half as much, so figured they were worth a shot. I have a stabilizer on my Raptor, but it's CCP brand, and those are about 200 bucks. And CCP doesn't make one for this. I've been really happy with it on the Raptor, but they don't make it for this quad. I'm sure it has to do with the fact that this quad was only made for 2 years. Pretty deep on the Rincon. We'll see if we can make it on this. Hey, we got it. Got a set of Kinda Cutter tires on the back that are brand new as of this summer, so they've only got a few rides on them. That should help me out here too. The whole shots on the Raptor are a few years old now, so they're not as nice as the Kindas. Justify the price of a new set of tires and wheels because I don't want to have to mount them and dismount them every time I use them. Oh wow, the woods are so much better. Also not as safe though, because trees will jump out at you. All day, I would have rolled the bars a bit farther back. Obviously, I just had to play it loose because I just installed them. This is the first ride with them. What in the world? This is definitely kind of an extreme snow ride for not having any sort of snow tire or studs or anything like that. Because not only did we get 15 inches of snow, there was also a nice layer of ice under it. So ride. Usually a little bit shallower snow is like the best thing we can